If you're working with AI art, synthetic data generation or video synthesization, of course, FreeU is an easy upgrade for your diffusion model. Direct sampling in raw multimodal space, unlike clip-based models. And this DreamLLM doesn't rely on external feature extractors, meaning no information loss in image-text relationship. And dear friends, raw interleaved document generation, it can generate free-form documents containing text, images, and complex layout. So these research papers redefine what's possible in AI-powered image and 3D generation. And of course, dear friends, works on diverse objects, no need for category-specific training, and improve realism and fidelity, outperformance previous methods in reconstructing high-quality 3D models from a single image. Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we are going to explore some of the latest advancement in image generation, novel view synthesis, video to audio transformation, diffusion models, and multimodal AI. These research papers push the boundaries of how machines preserve, generate, and reconstruction visual content. We will start by uncovering how 2D diffusion model secretly understand 3D structures and move on to how AI can generate realistic audio just by watching a video. Then discover how we can boost a diffusion model quality without additional training. And finally, explore how multimodal AI is revolutionizing text and image generation. Okay, stay tuned for some mind-blowing insight. Let's get started with the papers. Okay, the first paper, it is Viewpoint Textual Inversion, discovering scene representation and 3D view control in 2D diffusion model. Dear friends, have you ever wondered if a text-to-image model like a Stable Diffusion understands the real-world 3D structure of objects? It turns out it does. This research introduced ViewNet-I. Let me just specify like that. Okay, so Viewpoint Neural Textual Inversion. That is the exact abbreviation for that. A method that controls the camera angle of generated images, allowing AI to synthesize novel view of an object, even if trained only on 2D image. So how these work? Yes, of course, the core idea is to train a small neural mapper that takes camera viewpoint parameters and predicts text encoder latent. So these latents are then fed into a frozen diffusion model, guiding it to generate images from the desired angle. And why this is much more important? Yes, dear friends, actually single view novel view synthesis, that is NVS, it can generate different perspective of an object using just one input image, better than traditional 3D reconstruction. And unlike 3D models that need multiple views and depth estimation, this ViewNet-I can extrapolate missing details intelligently. And where it is used, of course, this can be used in game changing for VR AR application, synthetic data generation for AI training, and even more CGI. So this study proves that 2D diffusion models inherently encode 3D structures, paving the way for more advanced 3D aware AI models in the future. Okay, next paper, it is FoleyGen. That is visually guided audio generation. Dear friends, imagine watching a silent video and an AI automatically generate realistic sound effect, the rustling of leaves, footsteps, or even a car passing by. That's what FoleyGen does. Yes, dear friends, and here the challenge it is, generating audio that precisely aligns the visual action in a video is hard because visual and auditory signals are complex and high dimensional. Timing is critical. A delay in sound effect ruins realism. And here how does it works is, of course, FoleyGen solves by, it uses a neural audio codec that converts waveform into discrete audio tokens. And a transformer model generates these tokens based on visual feature extraction from video frames. And to solve synchronization issue, the researchers developed 3 novel visual attention mechanisms. And of course, what is the breakthrough? Yes, FoleyGen outperforms previous model on the VGG sound dataset, producing more natural, well-timed audio. So this technology can revolutionize automated sound design for movies, gaming, visual reality, and AI-generated content. Okay, next paper, it is FreeU, that is free lunch in diffusion unit. Different diffusion model like stable diffusion generate stunning images. But did you know we can boost their quality without retraining? Yeah, here it is FreeU, a simple trick that improves image generation without additional data or computation. Actually, what's the problem is the unit architecture used in diffusion model consists of 2 parts, that is the backbone, which handles denoising, and the skip connection, which brings back fine details. So by using this issue, that is skip connections dominate the output, sometimes overpowering semantic details from the backbone. And here, yes, this FreeU simple yet genius fix. So reweight the contribution of skip, connection, and backbone feature maps during inference. So this minor adjustment led to sharper, more coherent and detailed images with no extra training. And why should you care? Of course, FreeU can be plugged into any diffusion model like stable diffusion, DreamBooth, or model scope, and reversion. So it's a free performance boost, just tweak 2 scaling factors and you get better image quality instantly. If you're working with AI art, synthetic data generation, or video synthesization, of course, FreeU is an easy upgrade for your diffusion model. Okay, the next paper, it is DreamLLM, Synergistic, Multimodal Comprehension and Creation. Dear friends, most multimodal large language model focus on either understanding text or generating images separately. And here DreamLLM does both simultaneously, allowing AI to interpret and create multimodal content seamlessly. Direct sampling in raw multimodal space, unlike clip-based models. And this DreamLLM doesn't rely on external feature extractors, meaning no information loss in image-text relationship. And dear friends, raw interleaved document generation, it can generate free-form documents containing text, images, and complex layout. Why this game changer? Yes, dear friends, DreamLLM models all possible multimodal distributions, making it a zero-shot multimodal generalist. It opens the door for AI-generated storybooks, research papers, educational materials, and marketing content. And of course, DreamLLM represents the next step in AI creativity, where text and images are no longer separate but seamlessly intertwined. Dear friends, this last paper, of course, it is on 3D computer vision. 360-degree 3D reconstruction from a single image using space-curved outpainting. Dear friends, imagine taking just one photo and having AI generate a full 360-degree 3D model of an object. That's exactly what Pop 3D achieves. And of course, here it's working. Yes, of course, monocular depth and normal prediction. AI first estimates the object depth and surface normals. And here space carving, it removes impossible empty space to estimate missing views. And next, generative outpainting. Yes, dear friends, a model trained on massive image data set hallucinate missing details. So here, neural implicit surface reconstruction, that is finally a deep learning model reconstructs the 3D shape from RGB image and depth cues. And what about the revolutionary? Of course, dear friends, works on diverse objects, no need for category specific training, and improve realism and fidelity, outperformance previous methods in reconstructing high quality 3D models from a single image. And what about the application? Of course, dear friends, 3D modeling for gaming, CGI, AR, VR and metaverse applications, robotics and self-driving car also it would be used where understanding 3D from a single view is crucial. And POP3D brings us one step closer to the truly intelligent AI-driven 3D modeling. Dear friends, from controlling camera angles in AI-generated images to automatically adding sound to videos, and from boosting image quality for free to creating AI-generated multimedia content. So these research papers redefine what's possible in AI-powered image and 3D generation. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love AI research, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest breakthroughs, and until next time, keep exploring the future of AI. Thank you, dear friends. Happy learning.